If you want fast, powerful, and reliable heating for your pool, propane heaters offer one of the most efficient solutions. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 propane pool heaters for this year. We start with the Hayward Universal H-Series 250,000 BTU propane pool heater, a mid-range powerhouse that offers an excellent balance between performance, durability, and affordability. This model is built with a corrosion-resistant Cupro nickel heat exchanger, which makes it suitable for pools with saltwater or fluctuating chemical level. With its 250,000 British thermal unit output, it can heat most mid-size in-ground pools quickly, even in cooler conditions. It also features low NOx emissions, making it compliant with air quality standards in environmentally regulated areas. The intuitive front panel digital control system allows pool owners to set precise temperatures and monitor performance at a glance. This heater is ideal for homeowners who want fast, reliable heat and are looking for a long-lasting investment with a solid reputation. Next, we have the Hayward Universal H-Series 400,000 BTU propane pool heater, designed for large pools or high-demand environments. With its impressive 400,000 British thermal unit capacity, this heater can rapidly warm pools up to 1,200 square feet. It shares the same design features as the 250K version, including the Cupro nickel exchanger, Low-NOx certification, and digital controls. Where it really shines is in its heating speed. This model is built for users who want minimal wait time and consistent heat across larger water volumes. Whether you're running a large family pool or a pool and spa combination, this heater can handle the load with ease. While it does require more space and propane consumption, its performance justifies the scale, especially for those who swim frequently or entertain guests. For smaller pools or spas, the Hayward Universal H-Series 150,000 BTU propane pool heater offers a compact but capable solution. This unit is ideal for in-ground pools up to around 15,000 gallons. Like its larger counterparts, it comes equipped with a durable Cupro nickel exchanger and efficient hydraulic design that helps reduce pump run times. It's also low NOx and features the same user-friendly digital control system. This heater is a great fit for pool owners who want dependable performance without the higher fuel usage and installation requirements of larger models. It also works well for those in regions with moderate climates, where full-scale heating isn't required year-round, but fast temperature boosts are still necessary. Our fourth option is the Raypak Digital Low-NOx 266,000 BTU propane pool heater. Known for its rugged reliability and excellent performance in variable climate. It features a microprocessor-controlled thermostat that offers precision temperature control, and its digital display provides real-time diagnostics for easy troubleshooting. What sets the Raypak apart is its wind-resistant design and durable polymer headers, making it a strong contender for outdoor or coastal installation. It's also praised for its quiet operation and straightforward maintenance. With a 266,000 British thermal unit output, it sits comfortably between Hayward's 250,000 and 400,000 models, offering versatility for both residential and light commercial use. It's a trusted choice for those looking for both reliability and refined performance. Finally, we have the Pentair MasterTemp 125,000 BTU Low-NOx propane pool heater, an ultra-compact and efficient model perfect for small pools and spas. Despite its smaller output, this heater is highly energy efficient, boasting a thermal efficiency rating of up to 82%. It features a rotating digital display, simple temperature control, and a rust-resistant housing. The MasterTemp is particularly well-suited for users with space constraints, offering all the heating capability you'd need for a small pool without the footprint of a full-size heater. It's also a favorite among first-time pool owners or those upgrading from older, less efficient units. It may not be suited for large pools, but for its category, it performs exceptionally well. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Choose the model that fits your pool size and enjoy warm, comfortable water all season long.